Are you struggling to make sales as an affiliate marketer? Do you feel like your tweets are falling flat and not generating the conversions you desire? If so, you're not alone. Many affiliate marketers struggle with crafting effective tweets that grab attention and drive sales. However, with the right strategies in place, you can boost your affiliate sales overnight. In this article, we'll explore how to craft magnetic tweets that convert and provide actionable tips for immediate implementation. Understand your audience's pain points. To create compelling tweets that resonate with your audience, it's crucial to understand their pain points. What problems are they facing? What challenges do they need solutions for? By identifying these pain points, you can tailor your tweet content to address their specific needs effectively. Use emotional triggers. Emotions play a significant role in decision-making processes. Incorporating emotional triggers into your tweets can help capture attention and encourage action from your audience. Whether it's evoking excitement, curiosity, or empathy, tap into emotions that align with your product or service offering. Craft attention-grabbing headlines. Just like newspaper headlines draw readers' attention, catchy headlines in tweets have the same effect on social media users scrolling through their feeds. Use powerful words or phrases that pique curiosity or promise a solution to grab attention quickly. Highlight unique selling points, USPs. Differentiate yourself from competitors by highlighting the unique selling points of the products or services you're promoting as an affiliate marketer within your tweet copywriting strategy. For example, discover a weight loss program tailored specifically for busy moms. Get access to exclusive discounts on top fashion brands. Utilize call to actions, CTAs. A well-crafted call to action is essential for driving conversions through Twitter marketing efforts. Examples of effective CTAs include: click now to unlock your exclusive discount. Limited time offer. Get yours before it's gone. Incorporate visuals. Tweets with visuals tend to attract more attention and engagement than text-only tweets. Include eye-catching images, videos, or infographics that complement your tweet content and make it stand out in a crowded feed. Leverage user-generated content, UGC. User-generated content is a powerful tool for social proof and building trust among potential customers. Incorporate testimonials, reviews, or user-generated images within your tweets to showcase the positive experiences others have had with the product or service you're promoting. Optimize hashtags. Hashtags help increase the discoverability of your tweets by connecting them to relevant conversations on Twitter. Research popular hashtags related to your niche and incorporate them strategically into your tweet copywriting strategy. Engage with influencers. Collaborating with influencers in your industry can significantly amplify the reach of your affiliate marketing efforts on Twitter. Engage with influencers by tagging them in relevant tweets, sharing their content, or seeking opportunities for partnerships. Analyze and adjust. Regularly monitor the performance of your tweets using analytics tools provided by Twitter or third-party platforms like Hootsuite or Sprout Social. Analyze which types of tweets are generating higher engagement rates and conversions. Adjust your strategy accordingly based on these insights to optimize future tweet campaigns effectively. In conclusion, crafting magnetic tweets that convert requires a deep understanding of audience pain points, emotional triggers, unique selling points, USPs, effective call to actions, CTAs, visual elements, user-generated content, UGC, optimized hashtags usage, engagement with influencers, as well as continuous analysis and adjustment based on data-driven insights. By implementing these strategies into your affiliate marketing efforts on Twitter, you can boost sales overnight while engaging an expanding audience who resonate deeply with what you have to offer. Remember, the key is to experiment, learn from your results, and continuously refine your approach to maximize conversions.